Hey guys, I am doing I am decluttering. I'm decluttering right now. I'm sitting amidst a cesspool of my old 2018, 2017 clothing. You guys can't see much now, but hey, let me do this. Yeah, over there too. Oh wait, no, that's not the right way. Yeah, I'm sitting amidst a lot of shit right now. I've been planning on doing a pickups video for a while now, but I don't really have many places to put my good clothing. And I'm going through some shit and I'm just seeing so much shit and I was like, okay, I've got my black bin liner here. It's already kind of full. I also need to make a pile of clothes of what I'm gonna try and sell or donate as well. Can't lie, selling stuff is so long, so I might just take it all to the charity shop and give back what they've given me over the years. Recording on my front-facing camera because I don't know how long I'm gonna be recording this for, and I don't want all of this to go to waste. Okay, so apologies for the quality. I've been watching Tim DeSance. I think I'm saying his name right. I hope I'm not butchering it. But he did a video where he was Marie Kondoing and getting rid of shit. And so I thought, hey, why don't I record my video as well, 2021, and show you guys my decluttering as well. And at some point, the pickups video will come. Don't know if you guys really care, but I'm gonna be doing it at some point because I've bought quite a lot of shit. And well, it needs to go somewhere and I need to show someone so that it makes sense for me buying it, if that makes sense. What I need to say to you guys is I'm gonna talk through some pieces. I was holding on to this fucking I don't know how good it is to show stuff on camera, but this is Supreme underwear, which I've been holding on for the longest. I don't know, something in my head just thought, yeah, you can't throw it away because it's Supreme, but it's literally got elastic coming out of it, my dude. So definitely got that thrown away. There's some underwear that I really do like, which I'm picking up more recently, which is the Uniqlo Airism. That is just I don't want to purchase any other underwear other than Uniqlo Airism now, because like when I'm walking, when I put that shit on and I'm just like, feels good to be alive, baby. Can I get a hello? Yeah, it feels good when I wear those. But let's just go through what else is in here. So I'm actually gonna be going with Tim DeSance's method. Can't remember everything, but the big rule that he had was that when you're looking at something, does it make you want to say hell yeah? I'm excited to wear it. And a lot of this stuff, I'm not feeling a hell yeah, so it's literally getting binned or donated. So first of all, we have this do-rag, which has holes in it. So straight away, that's a hell no. Rip that bad boy up. I know I'm do-rag dragon, and that is not do-rag dragon material. So that's going straight in the bin, my dog. And there's another do-rag. I guess I need some do-rags, don't I? So I'm gonna keep this one. No. You know what it is, yeah? It's because sometimes I just misplace do-rags. And so I always want to be able to find one easily. And that's why I just keep them. But if I just have less things, then maybe I'll know exactly where things are. It's like, oh, it's in the wash. Let's wait for it to come out the wash and then you can wear your do-rag. Okay. As you can see behind me as well, the rail is looking absolutely atrocious. I want to get rid of a lot of those boxes. I've pretty much emptied out most of these drawers as well. So I've got my main t-shirts here sitting on my dresser. I do know I've got a whole load of clothes downstairs as well, but we'll get to that once we get to it. When I say clothes downstairs, I mean clothes that have come out of the wash and then there's just sitting in like storage, I guess. But yeah, essentials or what I wear on a regular basis get brought up here. Apart from things like, look, what is this? Why did you see me here? When I go to the charity shops, all I do is I say, oh, Mickey Mouse Disney, that's exciting, I want to buy it. And I ended up buying it, and this is a double XL. It's just massive. So I think I bought this to sell, and then when it came time to selling it, people messaging me on Depop, I couldn't be asked. So I just said, oh, sorry, not available. These Nike Tech Fleece joggers, which, to be honest, I think just look like they're in an absolute state. Do these look nice to you? Because to me, they don't. I believe these are going to be something to either sell or donate. Because it's Nike Tech Fleece, I think I'll be able to sell these pretty easily if I list them really low. Like if I list them at like 20 quid, I think they'll be able to sell. Tech Fleece nowadays is like £100. I mean, it is in bad condition, but I don't think this is something that I can put into this bag, which is going to be thrown away. Could donate it, I might donate, and someone might be happy to find some tech fleece in the thrift store. Same goes for some of these Supreme tees, man. Some of these Supreme tees, quality is just terrible. It doesn't hold up. The quality just doesn't hold up, and it's just long to sell as well. Selling things is so long, man. I can't lie. Do you know what it is? It's the fact that when I list something for sale, it doesn't mean I can get rid of it straight away. I still have to wait for it to actually sell, and then, you know, it comes to packaging and shipping and all that. If I could just go ahead and do like a yard sale or something like that, that would be great. I would even do those things where you just take a lump of clothing and then they give you money by how much it all weighs. Stuff some rocks in the pockets as well. Got all of these ties and bow ties and shit, which I never wear. Look at this maroon bow tie going straight in the gutter, dude. This is back from like sixth form days where I had to wear ties all the bloody time. So yeah, didn't want to wear the same tie every day, you know. I had to come with a little bit of swagger. Here is one of the recent pickups actually. This is a pair of Lululemon joggers in grey. These are really nice. And here's the thing, because there's no obvious branding, it's great to be able to wear with both Nike and Adidas and whatever other footwear comes in between. So yeah, I do like being able to wear joggers that are of a good quality but don't have overt branding, because you know me, I'm not wearing no Nike Tech Fleece with Stan Smiths. These Nike SB chinos that I cut into shorts have gotta go. I'm sorry. They're just not my vibe anymore, my doggy. Not my vibe. I did just pick up a new pair of Doc Martens, and so I almost bought another shoe polish, but thankfully I actually have some here. But what I did pick up is the balm. The balm is supposed to be good for breaking in your shoe. So now I've got the balm and I've got the polish. No more things needed to be bought. Okay, alright, Sonny. Alright, Sunjin. What do we have here? Another shitty do-rag? I think you have to go. This is a nice do-rag. Lovely, glossy, glacier white do-rag. Alright, nice material, silky. Do you know what I mean? Can't be going for them little flimsy things, bro. I found this. I thought I sold this ages ago and I didn't sell it. But the reason why is because it's got the Nike swoosh in the middle. And if you guys keep up with, you know, like streetwear fashion, all of that stuff, then you'll know a lot of clothes that had this swoosh in the middle were going for quite a lot because they're quite rare to come by. And I actually picked this up from a charity shop ages ago. But I will not be wearing this anymore because it just doesn't match anything that I want to wear. So I'll probably be listing this on Depop, and hopefully it does go for quite a lot because, you know, people love the Nike swoosh in the middle, so why would it not? I'm gonna get through this and I'll see you guys once I've got through most of this stuff, because I want to listen to some music without having some copyright issues and you know, talking for however long this is going to take. It's going to be a bit jarring, to be honest, okay? So I'll see you. Oh, okay, guys, so it is, in fact, the next day. I would say I'm refreshed, but to be honest, I don't really feel that refreshed. But anyway, hey, Greninja, hey, Infinite. I'm going to let you guys know this current situation. So I actually did quite a good job. The drawers, which I were rejigging, I would say, have been... I've been cleansed, for lack of better words, and because of that, I've actually been able to reorganize this rail a little bit more. So there's a lot less things clinging to it as it is right now. It is still pretty full, but it's in a much better place. There are some pieces that I might actually get rid of, like this hunter jacket, which I don't think I'm going to be wearing as much because I got this new Lululemon jacket instead. On top of here is a lot of garbage as well. I say garbage, but it's a lot of boxes. I've actually been keeping quite a few boxes underneath my bed, which reminds me, I actually do have a drawer still dedicated to bedwear from when I didn't have a, what do you call these type of beds? Ottoman bed. When I didn't have an ottoman bed, I didn't have storage underneath my bed. So there is bedding underneath here, and there's also some in that drawer. So that drawer can come out, and hopefully that means I can actually have even more space in my drawers. I actually need to think about shoes as well. I've got some shoes here. There's actually some in the basement too, but there's a lot going on. But anyway, what I needed to show you guys is what happened to all of that shit that I was trying to get rid of. Well, I now have two bags. Right here, I've got this bag which is full of kind of trash, and this bag which is full of clothes which I need to donate / sell. So what am I gonna do? I have to go through some of it. I was actually speaking to my girlfriend. I was like, yeah, I've got a load of like clothes I want to throw away as well because I don't think anyone would want it. She's like, no, you can't do that, Josiah, because people will want the things anyway. You can't throw it away. And, you know, after thinking about it, maybe she was right. So I actually have to go through the rubbish pile as well now. And short. Well, yeah, I guess I am kind of shorting that bag a little. What I mean to say is I'm sorting it out and actually putting more stuff. And I should, this is the thing that I said I hate, but I'm gonna have to actually take pictures of things that I want to sell instead and keep it for longer, and then go ahead and sell them when someone actually wants to buy them, which is just long. But I'm thinking I can use that drawer which has the bedding inside, take out that bedding, put it underneath the bed where the rest of it is, and then I'll use that drawer as storage for things that I'm selling. Okay, so there's gonna have to be a little bit of beauty to the madness here, and it's gonna be a little bit longer than I typically want, but I'm gonna do it and I'll update you guys, and hopefully I won't have 2 fucking bin bags in my room taking up space. Okay, we'll get to that eventually. That will get taken care of. Shoes need to be organized as well, because, you know, there's some that I don't wear as much. And the shelves, I flip and I flop like with these shelves, because I'm like, yeah man, all this shit is really cool. But also I'm like, I keep showing the wrong thing. Also I'm like, it's a lot. I would really prefer to have it minimalist as frick, dude. But it's not always easy to do that, man. Because then, what? Like 10 years later, why did I sell all my manga? Why don't I have any pop finals? Pop finals need to go. I can't lie. I don't mess with pop finals anymore. Not gonna lie. But some of them are pretty freaking cool too. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna do what I said I'm gonna do. Hold myself accountable. And I'll see you guys on the flippity dibbity. Hey guys, so I finished doing it finally. Got the 2 bags back in their state again. And here are the stack of clothes that have been listed on Depop/eBay. I've done it in a way so it's just like, okay, whatever I think will be able to sell quickly or have some bids rack up, that's on eBay, and then something that might take a little bit more interest on Depop. And I've also got this t-shirt from my ex. I just asked her if she wants that back before I donate it. So yeah, all of that stuff is gonna be sitting in that drawer until people say, yeah, I need that. I need that. But that's pretty much it, bruv. I think we've accomplished quite a bit today. Declutter done. So yeah, one of these is trash, and then this is all going to a charity shop. And yeah, man, I'm gonna try and make sure that I don't just fill up these drawers again with unnecessary stuff. I'm gonna try and adopt the mentality that Tim Desant was saying, which is, does it give you a hell yeah when I want to buy something? And so if it gives me a hell yeah, then sure, I'll go ahead and purchase. I don't think it's gonna work in every scenario, because you know, not all underwear makes me say hell yeah, but I need underwear, okay, to be honest. So yeah, but of course it's very wise to be more conscious about your purchases. Okay, and I think that's it, lads. Is this video worth uploading? I think so. I hope so. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's, you know, it's less of a, hey man, do this with your life, and well, actually, I guess it is a bit. I'm not telling you to declutter. I mean, you should. But you can do what you want at the end of the day. Like, comment, subscribe, that sort of thing. Take it easy, dogs.